Welcome back to the channel. I am Pratim and you are watching The Random You. It has been quite a number of months since I have uploaded videos. So the Cursium Diaries was my last video. If you haven't watched it yet, link will be in the description. Go and watch it after this video. So November 22nd, 2020, when finally the lockdown was uplifting. Me and my friends were too anxious and too pumped up to go to some place or the other because we wanted to travel. We were drenched with that feeling like we were supposed to be outside and we were trapped down because of this corona. But still, nonetheless, we were able to go to the Darjeeling. The permission, although, was quite difficult to get. But still, all the pain, all the hard work, all the permission thing, you know what I mean. But yes, finally, after so many months, we were able to go out and travel. And what better time would be to visit Darjeeling than in the winters? The trip was a blessing because we cherished the moments till date. And yes, I think those will be the memories that would be staying for us lifelong. This would be the first part of the Darjeeling series. So without further ado, let's hop directly into the video.
Please subscribe, please like, please comment. बहुत ठंड है.
It's 3:30 in the morning and we've reached NGP. I have no idea where are we going to go next, but let's see.
This is 24th November and we are all set. We are already late by a couple of hours. So this is 8 a.m. in the morning. This is our car and that is our driver over there, Atul. And let's see, everything goes by side and obviously you're there to witness it. So yes, without further ado, let's begin.
कहता रहा वो जाने दे मुझको.
We have had our first stoppage over here and in this Pima Montec restaurant, and yeah, things are going pretty well and let's hope it continues the same and we'll meet you ahead then. So we have come to the Margaret Trek and the weather here is amazing. Wow. So we thought of having some tea, but only one kind of tea is available. I don't think mint is preferable to them, so we'll pass and just see the view, man. So Baishali, how is the experience till now?
Still now it's wonderful.
Okay, how was Margaret Zek's view?
It was amazing.
Okay, but didn't order anything.
No, nothing. There was only Turkish mint tea, I guess, available. So, no.
Okay guys, so if you come at a time, come early in the morning. So they said that they have variety early in the morning.
Okay, meet you at here.
Okay guys, so this is our room. ठीक ही है दो जन के लिए, but are you ready? The view, man. super awesome. It's totally worth the money. Just look how clear is the sky. You can see the few villages over there and there. Lovely. Basically, we are staying at Pushpak Hotel, and it's a pretty cozy and nice hotel, and the view is super awesome. The people are nice over here, so the rate depends accordingly by the season. So we have got a pretty good deal, like 1,000 rupees for per head, staying and lodging. And the tour and travel package, I will share the link in the description or the details, so that you can have a fine link if you want to ever come to Darjeeling. And this just 5 minutes from the mall road. So yeah, after we'll have a lunch, so we'll head off. See you there. We are all set to travel to the Nightingale Park. The sun is all still out, and we'll try to cover it. And now it's 4 p.m. and we'll try to cover it by 5 because the park closes at 5. So let's hope for the best. Now we are going out. There's many construction going on, as you can see. So you're excited for which, Nightingale Park or mall?
Both.
Both. So what do you think? We are going out at 4:30. Can we make it till Nightingale Park on time?
Probably.
So let's have the face and let's meet you there. So bad luck, by the time we have came to Nightingale Park, the park was already closed, but still we took out some pics, so you'll see later. So let's without wasting time, let's go to the mall. Okay, chalo. So these are the local shops that you can buy your winter wears from. I would suggest that if you're a really good bargainer, then only come here, because they set the prices really high. And if you want some standard rates, then obviously the shops near the malls are the best places to buy. You are the best decision maker, and I leave it that up to you. So we have spent the entire evening in the mall itself, because the environment was so cozy and it was so beautiful out there. So yeah, we took out some pictures, we had a great chat, we have tea. So yeah, that was all. And so now we were starving, so we came to a place called Fiesta. So guys, how's your evening going?
Amazing.
Just awesome.
It's too good.
Okay, so what are you having?
I'm having chicken momos
Chicken
and
One Latin, one chicken momos.
Okay.
I'm having my all-time favorite chicken sandwich.
Okay, so I'm also a momo guy. So I will also have a momo. So let the food come, then we'll talk. After staying the entire evening there and stranded over the marketplaces, we went back to our hotels where we had our dinner, because we were preparing for this. So we're heading towards the Tiger Hill. It's freezing out there, and the other people are getting ready. I am ready with my gear, so let's hope for the best. Let's hope that we can this pain, all this waking up at 3 p.m., 4 p.m. is worth it. So whatever comes, you'll be a part of it. So let's see what happens.